Hi guys, welcome back to Charlotte's Foliage. I just got in. I still have on my work clothes and my hat because it's cold here. But I wanted to make sure I got in here and opened up my plants so I could share the unboxing experience with you guys. I got some wish list plants, so I'm excited about that. Welcome back if you're revisiting. Welcome if this is your first time. So let's get right into the unboxing so I can share my plants with you guys. Hope you're having a great day today. All right, so these plants here are coming from Ecuagenera. I use them often. And I haven't had any problems with them. I had one plant that was kind of frozen, and I'm talking to them about a refund on that. But for the most part, my experiences have been good with them. So let's get right into the unboxing. And today it was really cold outside, and I did ask for heat pads with this order because you want to keep your plants safe and keep them from freezing. Okay, so this is just my receipt here. This is how the box is packed. Let me show you. Okay, and I'm just gonna start unpacking right now. And I'll tell you what each plant is. This might just be one plant because I purchased 2 orders from them. Well, no, it's more than one plant, okay? It's 3 plants in here. And they have them numbered here. So let's get right into it, okay? You want to be careful when you're opening them that you don't rip the plant. But, oh, goodness, you guys, it's beautiful. This is, let me see. They do normally label them, so let's look at the label, okay? Hold on. I'm getting too excited. I can't even get the thing open here. There we go. Ooh, this is a pretty plant. Let me see which one this is. They normally label them. And I don't see the label. So, yep, it's not labeled. But it does have a number on it. So it's 29367. Let me show you the plant. Look how beautiful she is. I believe it's a verrocosum, but I'm just guessing. So I'm going to look on here. Oh my guys, I don't have my glasses. Okay. Sometimes I can look at the plant and tell what it is. This printout isn't very clear either. Oh, here it is. I had it backwards. The first plant, I believe, is a verrocosum. That's this plant right here. I'll show it to you again. A verrocosum. And if that's not right, I'll be able to tell once I open up the other 2 plants. The next plant, it has a number on it as well. Okay. Let's open her up. And they look pretty good so far, you guys. They don't look frozen, but it has really been cold today. These plants been sitting out on my porch. And my husband was off today. I tried to get him to wake up, but I couldn't get him to wake up. So he got them late. Let me see. I believe this is the verrocosum. Matter of fact, I'm certain. This might be well, this is another plant that I didn't know what it was. It's a philodendron, but I'll tell you in a little bit. You guys, this plant is so healthy. Look at how beautiful it is. This is a verrocosum because I had one before and it grew huge and beautiful foliage. Look at it. That's a verrocosum, okay? And it has the label on this one. Let me look and see. Let's see. Yep. It says verrocosum. So that's this plant right here. I'm just going to sit it down. It needs to be staked up. You see how long it is? And we got one more, you guys. This plant right here is, some of the philodendrons look so much alike, you guys, that they can fool you. This one has a label. This is the one, it's a rubrocinctum. So the first one is a Gloriosum. The second one is a verrocosum. And this is the rubrocinctum platinum. This was the plant that I was supposed to take out of my cart, but I forgot to. And they want to know if I still want it. So we'll just see, okay? I have to read about its care, and then I'll be able to answer whether or not I want to keep it. But it too is in good shape, okay? So what you want to do is you want to put these plants by themselves, because if they have any viruses or funguses or any pests, you keep them away from your plants that you already have for 2 weeks, okay? And if you need to treat them, you can. So that's the end of this video, you guys. I always want to share in my unboxing and let you know that I bought this plant from Equigenera in case you're wanting to make some purchases from them. We certainly appreciate you coming back to my channel, and I pray that all is well and you guys are healthy and safe. And just come back. Bye now. Thanks again.